If you've clicked on this video, you're probably wondering what Airfix kit you should buy. Maybe it's for yourself, or maybe it's for a friend or a family member. In this video, we'll break down the best Airfix kits, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out. Every Airfix kit comes with a skill level rating from 1 to 4. This helps you choose the right project depending on experience and confidence. Skill level 1 means it's a beginner kit and a little bit easier. Skill level 2 means intermediate. Skill level 3 means advanced. And skill level 4 is expert. Think of these as guidelines rather than rules. They'll give you a clear idea what to expect in the kit you're building. For complete beginners, we always recommend starting with an Airfix starter set. These sets are designed for ages 8 and up with fewer parts and simple painting schemes. And the best bit is, everything you need is in the box. The kit, the paint, the glue and the brushes. Starter sets are perfect if you're new to modelling and want a smooth first build, a returning modeller looking for something quick and easy, or an experienced builder who just wants a fun project without the complexity of advanced kits. We've also got full how-to guides for most of our starter set kits, so you can build along step by step while you build your first kit. Skill level 2 kits are perfect if you or the person you're buying for is looking for the next step up. These usually have around 50 to 100 parts and more detailed painting and decals. Some basic modelling skills might be required, like sanding or drilling, but nothing too complicated. We also offer gift sets which include paint, brushes and glue. Now these are usually a step up from starter sets, and they include subject matters like space or historic aircraft in the Battle of Britain. For the more confident modeller, skill level 3 raises the bar. Expect over 100 parts, fine details and more intricate paint schemes. These often include optional build choices and may even require advanced techniques like rigging. Now, if you think skill level 3 is right for you or right for the person you're buying for, we also have a Beyond the Basics series on our YouTube channel, which delves into more advanced techniques and more advanced builds. Finally, for those who want a real challenge, we have skill level 4. These can have 200 plus parts, highly detailed interiors and engines, and complex colour schemes. Some may even include resin or photo etched parts. Now, these are rewarding builds for experienced modelers who want to dedicate some time and craftsmanship to their builds. They make a great gift. Now you know all about skill levels, but here's the bigger picture. Airfix isn't all about building model kits. It's about sparking creativity and learning new skills. Over time, you improve your painting, patience and problem solving. You might even branch into dioramas, creating entire scenes to showcase your models. And every kit you complete from your first to your 50th shows your journey as a modeller. From quick and simple starter sets to more expert builds, there's no better time to discover or rediscover the hobby. If you're after some more tips, tutorials, or maybe some inspiration, check out some of the playlists in the description below. But thank you very much for watching and happy modelling.